Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing another case by Spigen for the iPhone 13 Pro right here. And this time I went ahead and got the Slim Armor CS for the iPhone 13 Pro. So I have actually never owned this case from Spigen. This is going to be my first time unboxing one of these for any devices. And so let's go ahead and begin with the unboxing. So again, as always, we get the normal Spigen box. So we have a Spigen logo with their name and then branding. And then we also get a little image, and it also says up to 2 cards inside of the card slot that we have. So this is actually like a wallet as well, so you can keep 2 cards inside there. It says iPhone 6.1-inch Pro and Slim Armor CS. So the back portion doesn't have anything too important, so let's go ahead and open this up. So here again we have our normal packaging, nothing else inside of this box. It's inside this little plastic pouch, which let's go ahead and take it out of. Okay, so here we have our case, and okay, so let me go ahead and plop this to the side, and boom. So here is our Slim Armor CS case. So this case right here, as I said, it is a wallet case and it supports up to 2 cards. So let's go ahead and open this up. So you just pull it back like this, you plop in the cards, and then you close it up, you pull it back. It's easier with the phone on, since it does feel a little flimsy right now without the phone actually inside of it. So we do get this plastic body on it. This portion right here is a little softer because there is space inside of there for where the cards go. So when you do have cards, it won't be like this. However, it won't be flexible. However, if you don't have it, you'll still be protected by this hard plastic portion right here. We have a nice design up here, as you can see. Cool little pattern, so I guess they didn't want to just leave that place blank. It would be nice if they just left it the same design as the the bottom portion, the bottom half, but it is okay. It's still nice that they added this cool pattern. We do again get very minimal branding, just Spigen right here, and then other than that, it's a pretty normal case that you would actually get. So let's go ahead and plop the phone in and go ahead and do some quick tests on it. So the phone goes in really easily. No hassle there. It is pretty normal. It's a case, and overall in the hand, like first impressions, it feels pretty nice. So it does feel like it slides just a tad bit because of the back portion right here. It does have like this matte finish. However, it's still a little slippery, and that might be annoying for some people, since you probably don't want to drop your phone out of your hand since you don't get enough grip with it. And that is one thing that I'm already not liking from this case. However, I guess that is because of the wallet functionality, where you're able to put in 2 cards right here. So right now it's not flexible since we have the phone inside there, and when you have 2 cards inside there, this will actually not open. This will actually not be soft plastic, so you'll have your cards inside there as extra protection as well. So you probably won't need it, but you will get that extra protection. Our camera hump is really nice. It does actually go above the cameras, not by too much, however, just enough so that it actually covers that area. So if you do drop it backwards like this on its rear, you won't actually hit your cameras first. Plus, this wallet portion is a little higher than everything, so that will be the first part to hit the floor, and that will overall protect your camera a lot more than usual. So let's go ahead and talk about the cutouts. So we have our cutouts down here for our lightning port and then our speaker grill. We also have a nice cutout for our speaker up here. It's just this overhead cutout, so they didn't have like this portion, they just cut above it. And then other than that, we have our nice button cutout. So on the sides of these buttons, we actually have slight cuts right here, which actually open it up, so when you're clicking the buttons, it's a lot easier to click them. So I'm actually putting really basically no extra effort to it, and I'm able to click these buttons easily. So that's really nice. So I'll go ahead and be quiet so you can hear this. And right there. So overall, the buttons are really nice as well. So here we do have our volume rocker cutout. It is a little deeper inside there, but it's still easy to reach and easy to access, so you probably won't or shouldn't have any issues with that portion right there. So overall, all the cutouts are made perfectly. The buttons feel really nice, and For a wallet case, this is pretty good. One thing that I would like to note is that since we do get MagSafe now with iPhones, you could probably get something better. Maybe Spigen's MagSafe wallet and just plop it on there, because this is a little bulkier because of this, and also because of this back portion, the back plate that covers the cards that you put inside there. It's not actually, it doesn't have enough grip, and it might slip out of your hands, because when I'm holding it right now like this, I don't feel really safe holding this. If I was walking around, if I like hit something, or if somebody maybe just hit me from my arm when we're walking or something, I would probably drop my phone because it doesn't have enough grip. But that isn't too big of an issue. Well, if that isn't too big of an issue for anybody wondering, then this is a pretty good case overall. So it will definitely protect your phone. It has this nice soft touch feel to the plastic around it, and then you also are able to carry 2 cards with it if you don't carry very many cards with you. So overall, it's a pretty nice case. It might not have the best functionality since 2 cards isn't really too much, but if you do want to check this case out, I'll definitely be leaving a link down below, an Amazon link, and you can also check it out on Spigen's own website. So overall, this case, it does feel really nice. However, for me personally, I wouldn't use this case, but for the people that are looking for a wallet case, this is a pretty nice option that you can actually check out on Amazon, and it doesn't cost too much either. So overall, this case, for the people that do need a wallet case, it's a pretty nice case. For the people that don't really bother. You are losing the extra grip, and it's just a tad bit bulkier, and it doesn't look too good in my opinion. So that will basically be wrapping it up for this video. If you enjoyed this video, again, as I said, don't forget to like and subscribe, as it helps support the channel a lot, and see you in the next one.